Go!
Wow! Dance.
Ah! Hoy!
Ryan, polo dancer ka talaga. Taray!
Ang galing ni Georgina dun sa unang step, yung ano, para nag-stretching lang yung...
Second, thank you, sis.
Bongga! Bongga!
Sino naman lang yung sample ng
Pucho-pucho, oh. Magkulit ang
Sino
step.
naman yung dance ko? Okay. Group number 1. Sobrang bongga ng campus nyo. And I really like, para kayong professional dance group. How many years have you guys been together?
Yes!
2 years? Parang 10 years na.
Sa 14, tayo ng anniversary day. 2 years na daw sila.
Ang cute. Parang tagal na lang samahan nyo because you guys look really close and sobrang nakikita ko yung pagmamahal sa isa't isa. So, sobrang na-enjoy namin ang performance nyo. Kasi sobrang, you guys enjoyed it so much too. So, this is good.
Yeah, you know, right?